ito.
Good choice talaga ang Sun ID. Every time he thinks, millions of neurons will connect randomly for a new learning experience.
No, ito parang to.